I want to talk to those people who have points and you want to use them for cruises. You need to know this information. I'm going to give you the honest truth about using your points for cruises. You're wasting your money. You're wasting your points. Do not use them. It will cost you more in the long run with the port charges and taxes and using your points and paying the exchange company to use your points for a cruise. Do not use your points for a cruise. It is a waste of money. It is a waste of points. Just pay for the cruise on your own and use your points for something else. I know that you have been told by the exchange companies, you've been told by your sales staff or the resort that you can use your points. Yes, you can use your points towards a cruise. However, you're going to pay more than the general public. So make sure you understand that.